So for the profile setup for this app, the user will have to record him or herself speaking both their L1 or their native language and the L2 or the target language that they're wanting the app to listen for. So I'm not sure if I went about that the best way, but I did go to TeachableMachine and I tried to train it to recognize my voice when I'm speaking English and when I'm speaking Spanish. And then I compared that to some background noise and had my husband even speak in English anyway, and a little bit in very minimal Japanese that he knows, and tried to train it in that way. It probably needs a lot more training, but I did spend probably a good hour inputting different spoken speech into it and recording background noise and other noises. So this was the Python script or the code that I got back from that. When I run it, however, let me go ahead and run Teachable. I get an invalid syntax, so I'm not sure if I need to connect this to something else to make it run, but I'm sure there's probably a better way to go about setting up the profile, but that's what I experimented with so far.